What is up, guys? It's your boy Mike back here from Mike's Money Moves, and today we're going to be making a short video today about what is happening on the market today, and I'm talking about the cryptocurrency market, and I'll let you guys know now. So if you guys haven't seen about the cryptocurrency market in the last few days, there has been so many different things happening at the moment, where Bitcoin is slowly beginning to rise again. So if you guys have a look and see what's happening at the moment, if you guys have a look at GME, which has happened recently, so GameStop, where basically people had short squeezed and pretty much put hedge funds in bankruptcy and pretty much made the most out of it through a Reddit forum. Basically, what's happening now at the moment is obviously a lot of things are happening financially with the normal people versus people with hedge funds and investors. So what's coming up next was pretty much Dogecoin. If you don't know what Dogecoin is, it's basically a meme cryptocurrency for whatever you want to call it, cryptocurrency format. Basically, someone's made a format called Dogecoin. It's a meme. If you don't know what it is, much wow, very good. And basically what's happened is the normal people, us, the consumers, the investors, have turned something like Dogecoin into a name all across the world. And basically what's happening now at the moment is that cryptocurrency has actually increased within its price, and your man himself, Elon Musk, has actually endorsed it as well. So if you have a look at this post from a few days ago by Elon Musk, he basically put a post of himself saying Doge. And because of that post, that got heaps, tens of thousands of retweets, heaps of likes, to only increase the price of Dogecoin up even more. So a few days after that, 2 days after that, Elon Musk had another post basically posting himself as in the Lion King, the moment where basically he's putting up the new king up in the air, and basically Elon is the shaman himself, and basically Dogecoin was the king himself at the top. So as soon as he made that post, and again, it went up even more as well. So after this happened, basically everyone around the world was pretty much praising Dogecoin, and the prices were going up and up and up and up. And then you have investors come through as well. But by doing that as well, you're obviously going to know that there are going to be investors out there looking at this and thinking, hey, it's time to pump and dump. So that's obviously another thing as well. So after this, again, once it traveled around the world, once it got traction, once people started to see all of this as well, guess who else also came into the mixes as well? So you have other people who have joined the mix. People like Snoop Dogg has also jumped into this as well. Other high investors has also come into this as well. Other celebrities who are wanting to get into the market has actually talked about this as well. And that has created pretty much a chain and a domino effect that kept going and going and going. And again, Elon Musk has pretty much brought out this meme again, but this time it was a picture of him doing the same thing, but with 3 other faces on top, including Snoop Dogg and others as well. So that again has also increased the price. So to give you guys an update of what's happened today, basically what's happened today is Elon Musk himself has bought $1.5 billion worth of Tesla money into pretty much Bitcoin. So if you have a look at that in terms of percentage wise, by using his stocks, that counts as up to 15% of his cash reserves into Bitcoin. So what does this mean? So what this pretty much means is Elon Musk is obviously a man who knows quite a lot about what to do with his money and why he wants to do these things. So Elon Musk has always talked about obviously using his money for the good, making sure that the human race continues to stay on as well, and obviously using that as a leverage point for himself. So is this going to be something that he's going to be investing in so that he can use this towards that? Possibly, who knows? We've got to wait for a few more updates to see what he wants to do with this. But Elon Musk himself is a meme, and he knows how things work, and it's great to see him put himself on a pedestal to help out those as well for the human race and pretty much humanity. Also, what he's also done before as well, in the earlier year in 2020, he did release a statement basically saying that, if you guys have a look here, where he would accept Bitcoin as a type of currency to purchase Tesla vehicles and Tesla products, and he put that off the market not too long after that. But now, after buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, he's pretty much has brought that back up, basically saying that if you want to buy a Tesla, if you want to buy one of my cars, you can purchase them through Bitcoin. And that is an interesting update from today. So what does this mean what does this exactly mean? So what this means for the market is that anything that Elon Musk puts up, so give you guys an idea, the reason why I was telling you guys about all those things about Dogecoin and the other people who have followed Elon Musk and retweeting things as well, is that Elon Musk has always been a man who sort of knows what's going to be happening with the market and what's trending and what's going to change through him. So because of him, he is an eye-catching person where whatever he does, people are going to follow and people are going to watch regardless. So this means that he's not going to be the only one looking at doing this as well. If Elon Musk is putting $1.5 billion worth of money into Bitcoin, guess what that means? That's going to mean other investors, you're going to have hedge funds have a look at this as well. And then you obviously have your consumers who are wanting to get into this as well. So all this is going to do is going to increase the price of Bitcoin to skyrocket. And that also means cryptocurrency is also going to be coming up as well. So as being a digital currency, this will affect the market heavily. For how long, we won't know until the next couple of days to see how this goes. Maybe in the long run, you might have someone else jump in. You know, you might have someone like Jeff Bezos maybe jump in as well. You never know. They might even team up. Another investor or hedge fund might come through. And who knows? We might even have someone potentially buy Bitcoin itself. The whole entire company of Satoshi and the whole crew. You'll never know. So to give you guys an idea anyways, it is still very early talks about this at the moment. But since the purchase of Bitcoin through Elon Musk and through the Tesla, money is basically... the stock has pretty much gone up. So if you guys have a look at it at the moment, it's sitting at 60,000. Yep. So within Australian dollars, it works out to be about $60,000. It has increased from yesterday and the day before, and basically it's gone up. So if we're talking about the timeline, guys, if we have a look at this now, from January, we started all the way at the beginning of the year at about 50,000. It worked its way down to about 40,000, slowly crept its way all the way back up. And as of pretty much the last 2 days, it's gone up from 50,000. And as of this post, it's gone up to $60,000 just by that as well. And it's only going to be increasing as well. So if you guys have money, you guys are set to enjoy it. But we know how things work. People are obviously going to invest and obviously going to dump as well. So that's going to obviously affect the market. Dogecoin is obviously going to be increasing as well, which is great. So it's a great little meme stock, which is crazy good. So at the moment, it's up about 10% as I speak from where it was yesterday. So it's sitting at about 0.08 at the moment. So it's only going to be an increasing rise ever since then. So ever since we've talked about it, it was at about 0.7, 0.07, now 0.08, and slowly climbing and rising as well. And it's going to be something very, very interesting, guys. So again, 20% raise on Bitcoin so far. And we'll definitely see how this goes. We'll see if any other Fortune 500 companies hopefully pop out. We won't know until we'll see. But definitely keep an eye on it, guys, because obviously digital currency is going to be something that's going to be around for a very long time, just because the internet always wins. And it's going to be something that's going to be there. So I definitely would keep an eye on it to see what is going on. And if you can get something along those lines, get it in there while you can. I remember when I was looking at Bitcoin, probably about a few years ago, it was only at $20,000, and now it's increased to $60,000 within a couple of years. So that is a massive, massive growth spike, and it's only going to go up higher with the digital currency, especially with the pandemic as well. What a lot of people don't realize is because of the pandemic, it meant that, you know, everyone's having to stay home, no one's going to be going out. So what that means is a lot of people are moving to the online side of the world, which means a lot of people who didn't used to use it are enjoying using it for the freedom of everything coming to them. So Amazon has obviously increased, eBay has increased, Walmart online sales have increased, retail stores have increased, GameStop has pretty much increased online ever since the merger. So to give you guys an idea with that as well, is that means everything is going online. And with all these different payment methods and different ways to pay for things, you got PayPal, you got your BNPL, which is your buy now pay later methods as well. Cryptocurrency is not too far off, guys, where it's going to be something, you know, that everyone's going to be using as a digital wallet. So that's going to be the next thing as well. So I definitely do think it's going to stay around forever. It's going to be around for a very long time. So I definitely think you should have an eye, see how things work, but obviously be wary, be careful. You can obviously go to different apps as well to use to invest and put your money into to try it out if you guys decide to. But that is my video for today. I hope that helps a little bit about you guys, that you know about the market and what's happening at the minute. So hope you guys subscribe. My name is Mike from Mike's Money Moves. We talk about making money and saving money, and I'll see you guys on the next one.